All right, let's do a walkthrough of both the onboarding and the actual app itself. The first thing you'll do is hit the get started, and it's going to ask you a number of onboarding questions. It takes this information to create a unique app experience for you. It is not just like something to click through. It actually does directly impact your experience with the app. So in this experiment, we will say that we're someone who's brand new to the polyvagal theory, or they want to relearn it, but they want to also build the strength of their safety state. And so it'll have onboarding questions, but also just some screens like this one that are more informational. How often have you practiced any kind of self-regulation? Let's say this person does maybe 1 to 3 times in the past month. The baseline is sad, heavy, but also a tinge of freeze through fear, panic, rage, overwhelm. Do you have a timeline? This person's going to be realistic and say, let's do 6 months. How much daily practice feels right for you? They can commit to 5 minutes. How do you learn best? Video and guided audio meditations. What type of coaching? This person probably wants the nurturer. They're kind of starting over, so they need something really comfortable and slow. Yes, daily reminders. What's your first name? This person will name them Jenny. Jenny does have an iPhone. This is only for iPhone users currently. And Jenny understands that this is not a replacement for professional help. And then you'll go through this sequence, just kind of showing you more about the app and what it looks like. What it's doing now is actually building a personalized plan. I thought this was just an animation the first time I saw it, but it's not just an animation. It actually is calculating or creating a specific app experience for a specific person. This animation or this sequence here is different every time. It takes different times of like loading and whatnot. And I've done a bunch of testing, and there is indeed a different experience for everybody. All right, so it'll give just a projection of what the 6 months can look like. Here's what Jenny will achieve, and it actually will break things down by week or by a couple of weeks at a time. It'll have milestones, and again, I have checked this, and it looks different based on what people answer in the onboarding sequence. After that, you scroll down, and you can see the pricing. It's 27% off for the annual plan. For the first couple of weeks, I think it is, there's a Black Friday sale, so it's even more off of that. If you're in the Unstucking Academy as a co-regulation student or self-regulation student or even a prior student, you get an even more of a discount. So that's the onboarding sequence. I'll show you the actual app experience next.